China's embarking on a new stage of its economic development. It wants to follow in Japan and South Korea's footsteps, relying less on cheap labour and more on the production of high-tech goods. China correspondent Stephen McDonald reports from Guangdong province.
Australia's largest trading partner is now looking to shift its production model. Out with the shoes and dodgy toys, in with the high-tech gadgets. Mainland China wants to emulate the likes of Taiwan, Korea and Japan, which transformed their entire economies, producing electronics, computers and various communication devices.
We want to change people's impressions of made in China. We want people to think more along the lines of created in China.
ZTE makes communications industry hardware and is a company with lots of ambition.
In the field of terminal devices, mobile phones, at the moment we rank in the first 5 in world sales. By 2015, we're confident we can step into the first 3.
With competition from countries like Vietnam, this place is not the cheapest producer on the block anymore. With wages going up here, China can no longer simply rely on cheap production to drive its economy. It's looking to skill up its workforce and move into more high-tech goods. At GDC in Shenzhen, there are rows and rows of young animators and designers learning to become the 3D movie makers of the future. This company runs training courses as well as producing its own material.
Our work can be broken into several parts. The first is to make original films which have a Chinese character and style. But we also make movies using the stories provided by foreign clients.
Yet there's no doubt that the challenges facing China are huge if it wants to seriously shift its modes of production. It will take a good deal of money, resources, motivation and training to make it a high-tech producer with a more affluent local consumer base. Even so, many here believe that this country now has no choice but to make this shift.